What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. In this video, I wanted to talk just a little bit about what I've been working on the last few weeks. So as you guys know, I love teaching people how to use SketchUp. One of the things that's always kind of bugged me, though, is just with the number of interactions that I have with people, I haven't been able to take on any kind of personalized training. I just can't fit it in my schedule along with all the channels that I'm working on and other things like that. So I've been working really hard on something that allows me to offer a little bit more of that. And so it's called the SketchUp Essentials community. So I'm currently accepting the first round of members, which are going to be the founding members for this new community. What I like about this community is I'm definitely still going to be offering SketchUp tutorials for members, but in addition, I've also created a community forum where you can go to ask questions, and then my favorite part, which is the group call-ins. And so the group call-ins are going to be group coaching calls where people can call in and actually ask their questions about SketchUp. So when you become a part of the membership, you get access not only to the training, but also to a way to actually ask me questions and get help if you get stuck, or if you're looking for something specific to you, you have a question like that, you can bring those to those group calls. So the first group call is going to be tonight. It's only available for registered members inside of the community. So if that's something you are interested in, make sure that you check that out now. I will leave a link in the notes down below. You can also go to the SketchUpEssentials.com/community. So I'm currently limiting the number of people that can sign up just so that I can make sure that I'm giving those people the attention that they need. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check out that link in the notes down below or visit the SketchUpEssentials.com/community. So as always, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.